Okay, P. Chidambaram there speaking about the Nyaya scheme of the Congress party. Akshay joins us for more on what Mr. Chidambaram in fact had been speaking. He was talking about the benefits of the Nyaya scheme. He was justifying the Nyaya scheme, Akshay, and also saying that in every way India has the capacity to implement the Nyaya scheme as well.
Well, yes, Avantika, at the moment we're seeing that P. Chidambaram, the former finance minister, is giving details to the press about what the Nyaya scheme will be and how it will be rolled out in phases and how this is a doable scheme. He's saying that in the future, the incomes will be doubled. So that will help the government to roll out the money. And in fact, they're saying that, 72,000 will be given to families below the poverty line per year. And they're saying that more than 5 crore families will be benefited out of the scheme. But even now, the government's implementation or how this entire scheme will be implemented is not being disclosed at the moment. But he's saying that they have a plan in place and that will be used as the means to implement these things. We've seen that there have a lot of been oppositions for this. They're saying many of them have even said that this is just a political agenda that is being made before the elections, and how the scheme would work is something that cannot be explained at this point of time. But P. Chidambaram, the former former finance minister, seems to be very confident about this scheme and has been saying that this will benefit many lives of people who are in the below poverty line. Avantika.
Absolutely, that's true, and that's one of the criticism coming the Congress's way, with the BJP calling it a bluff announcement, saying that it will fail to cut any ice with the people once they go to cast their vote. But about the scheme, were there any more details that was given by the former finance minister on just how the Congress plans to execute it if voted to power, if they form the next government? Will it be rolled out in phases? Did he give out more information?
Well, Avantika, the intricate details of the scheme, how it will be implemented, what are the ways in which the Congress party is planning to implement this, nothing has been revealed of that sort. The only thing that he's revealed is that it will be rolled out in phases and it wouldn't be a plan that would come into place immediately but will take time. And he said that there's a proper strategy, proper analysis that has been done by economists within the Congress's wing, and they are very confident that this can be rolled out and many lives can be saved.
Absolutely, and also clarification coming in as far as the Congress party is concerned, saying that it's not a replacement to Manrega, saying that it's directly going to be benefiting women and the households. Priyanka Gandhi has also been putting a lot of emphasis, Akshay, that this scheme is a women-centric scheme. Any more details as to just how is it going to be benefiting women in our country?
Well, Avantika, if you remember when Rahul Gandhi had spoken, it said that Manrega was the scheme that was introduced by the Congress party, and it was very successful, that even now it benefits many lives. And in this scheme as well, the Nyaya scheme as well, they're saying that this will be benefiting people because the money will be directly deposited into the bank accounts of people. And they've also said that more than 5 crore people who are in the below poverty line can be helped, and 72,000, that is a very big amount, Avantika, on a yearly basis being given to them. All these numbers and all these figures seems to be really well, and it can impress people. But the big question is, how is it going to be implemented? Are they going to merge many other schemes, or are they going to use existing schemes that are there to do this? All these details still seem to be something that is missing, and we need to wait and watch for those details, Avantika.
Very interesting. Thanks so much for joining us, Akshay.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.